Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Toxic fumes can emanate from the oven when cleaning, which can be dangerous to someone with asthma or respiratory problems. If anyone in the household suffers with existing respiratory issues, it is advised that they stay away from the oven during the self-cleaning process.
Take our lead.
Self-cleaning oven concerns. Your self-cleaning oven works by using extremely high temperatures to burn off bits of food debris. This process causes carbon monoxide to be released into the air, which is hazardous to anyone, but can be very harmful to people with asthma or other respiratory problems.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.